it's Jen, and today we are talking complexion. I'm going to start out today using our Timeless Smoothing Primer. It's pretty amazing. It's super soft, super like velvety, and if you're someone that has like deep set pores, fine lines and wrinkles, this is going to help just like smooth out the appearance and texture of your skin. It's going to give you a nice even surface for your makeup to apply on, but it's also going to nourish your skin with vitamin E, vitamin C, which is known to like brighten and illuminate. It also has green bean extract, which is so soothing and nourishing to your skin, and mineral pigments, which soften and smooth the appearance of your skin. So I'm going to be using this. It's super amazing. I'm going to bring it in so you guys can see it. It's this really cool texture. You like pick it up like that. Just that much is perfect. You don't need really any more than that. And you're going to kind of rub it together in between your fingers, warm it up, and then you're going to press it into your skin and just put it in the areas you want to kind of create a nice smooth surface. So for me, that's like right here where my pores are heaviest, right around my crow's feet, because when I smile sometimes I'm like, ugh, I don't like how that looks, but this is a great way to just fill it right in and smooth out the appearance and all over. And it's so lightweight, a little goes a long way. You just saw how much I used, and just press that in all over and you're good to go. Now I'm going to be taking our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. This also has SPF 15 in it. I love this foundation. It is lightweight, full coverage, long wear, but it also has like this moussey texture. I'm going to come in so you can see it. It's really light. Think of like Cool Whip. It's just this like bouncy, fun, lightweight texture. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot of this, so I'm just going to kind of dot the areas that I want to apply it. On my eyes, more on the nose and cheeks, and I'll add the forehead. And then I'm going to take the Airbrush foundation brush. It's super soft. It has over 5,000 bristles, and it's just going to give you this airbrushed effect. It's so nice, so easy to use. Just go in circular motions and buff it right in. Look how much more even and polished my skin looks instantly. It literally looks airbrushed. I love it so much. I mean, look how even and like perfected my skin looks after just using that. What I love about this is it's balancing. So if you're someone that has oily skin, it's gonna help keep you looking matte throughout the day. And if you have dry skin, it's gonna keep you looking hydrated throughout the day. And you're also nourishing your skin with that Amazonian clay. And we harvest that straight from the Amazon. The Amazon River flows for almost 4,000 miles, collecting plant and fruit extracts along the way. And what we do is we harvest the clay at the river basin where the nutritional concentration is at its highest. Then we solar bake all those good for you ingredients right into the clay. Once it's dry, we fine mill it into a powder and infuse it right here into our foundation. And that's what's nourishing your skin and treating it throughout the day. Now I'm going to take our Tartest Pro Glow To Go Highlight and Contour Palette. This is mine. I use it every single day. You can see it's just been used to death. I love it so much. And I'm going to be using this contour shade to carve out my nose and my cheekbones. So this palette, just like the foundation, is also infused with that Amazonian clay. So you're getting that 12-hour wear and you're getting that nourishment from the Amazonian clay. I just love it so much. This is my favorite contour palette. You saw, I use mine to the death. I've gone through so many of them because I just use it every single day. But it creates this nice natural like bronzed contour, and I just love how it looks. I also like to hit my jawline too, just get that more carved out effect. Now to make my cheekbones pop, I'm going to be using our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. I love this color. It's like the perfect blush color. Look how pretty this is. Now to get the perfect application, we recommend you smile, check, and blend, just like this. Look at that, just like warming up my cheekbones. I see them, they're popping. It's like a healthy, natural glow. It doesn't look like clown blush. You know what I'm talking about. Look how pretty that looks. I love it. So this is like a nice, easy, natural complexion. I just used 3 products. And if you want to finish off this look with a lip and an eye, you can use your favorite Tarte products. I'm going to use some liner and some mascara on my eyes, and I will be good to go. Ready? And there you go. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products I use in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets.